Namaskar, dear children. It's time for a fun game. Everyone likes to enjoy the company of their friends and family members. Yes, I'm sure all will agree with me. So today we are going to learn how to enjoy with family and friends. But before that, I'm going to share information about a market. Children, as we all know, when we have to buy anything, we need to go to the market. A market is a place where people go to buy or sell things. There may be a special building for the marketplace, or the market may be held in an open space as shown in the second picture. In this picture, you can see the sellers have put up their stalls on the street in an open space. Children, in this slide, you can see the famous Mahatma Phule Mandai. It is the biggest vegetable market in Pune, located in Shukruvarpet, in the center of the city. It is also called the city market. The person who sells things like vegetables, fruits, flowers in the market is called a seller. In this picture, you can see the three ladies selling vegetables. In the second picture, the man is selling fruits. And in the third picture, the man is pushing the cart full of plants. All these people are sellers. The person who buys the things from the seller is a buyer. In this picture, the boy is buying a cotton candy from the seller. Children, if you observe the other pictures carefully, then you will find the buyers are carrying a bag in their hand to buy things like fruits, vegetables, and many other things. They are all buyers. Children, do you know there are many different marketplaces in our country? We have very good markets in some of the famous cities like Mumbai, Delhi, Surat, Kolkata, and many more. But we buy things from the local market or the market which is close to our house. So children, to buy certain things and to see variety in those things, we have to visit specific marketplaces for clothes, fish, flowers and jewelry. Electronic gadgets and home appliances. Gadget means electronic machines like the mobiles, computers, laptops and many more. Nowadays, we all use machines in our daily lives. To name a few, they are mixer grinder, microwave used in the kitchen. Children, we also make use of washing machines to wash clothes. The machines used for housework are called home appliances. Times have changed. People have become busy and hardly find time to visit particular marketplaces for specific things. So we have supermarkets and departmental stores. In this type of a market, you get all the things like fruits, vegetables, grocery in one shop, which is also said one roof, one shop. You get things right from your daily needs to stationery, home accessories, kitchen appliances, decorative articles, everything you can buy from the departmental stores. One roof, one shop, one stop. Children, do you know in the lockdown period many shops were closed. The sellers in the local market, city market, started selling their things online. You must have seen your parents placing orders for online purchases. The things like milk, milk products, vegetables, fruits, medicines, which are daily essentials and are delivered at the doorstep or at the society gate. Children, don't you want your friends, parents, and other family members to be safe? Yes? All right. Then you have to promise me that you will avoid visiting crowded places like the market and malls in the current situation. Okay, children? Don't break your promise. So let's enjoy a string song with your family members sitting at home. It is from your Balbharti textbook, Unit 1, Lesson 4. A string song. Children, you can play this memory game with your family members or friends. What you have to do is repeat the things told by other member in correct order. You will add something new on your own to the list. Refer to the Balbharti textbook, page number 5, and enjoy this song with me. So children, ready for the song? Let us sing. The first child says,
I went to the market. Do you know what I bought? Some red shiny apples. That's what I got.
the second child adds something.
I went to the market. Do you know what I bought? Some red shiny apples, a big loaf of bread. That's what I got.
The third child adds one more thing.
I went to the market. Do you know what I bought? A pack of color pencils. That's what I got.
No child, you have to also add the things what your friend has said previously. Can you say it once again?
I went to the market. Do you know what I bought? Some red shiny apples, a big loaf of bread, a pack of color pencils. That's what I got.
Very good. This is the way you have to say. Well done. This way you can go on adding the things. Here are a few examples. Just remember to say all the things in sequence. I went to the market. Do you know what I bought? Some red shiny apples, a big loaf of bread, a pack of color pencils, a pack of liquid soap, some juicy ripe mangoes, a pair of blue bangles, a big jar of honey, a bunch of big bananas, a string of white flowers. That's what I got. La la la. La 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 la. Hmm hmm hmm. Hmm 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 hmm. Children, I hope you enjoyed the song. You can enjoy this game by singing and dancing to the tune of a string song. Bye bye.